Mountains crumble, rivers dry. Stars will fall from the open sky, but your name stays steady, your light stays true. Only our love remains through the storms, through the flames. Only our love remains in my heart, in my veins. No wealth, no crown, no fleeting pride.